Hi everyone, Kath here. I'm here today to show you my new Edith Holden themed junk journal. It's a single signature. It measures 8.5 by 5.5 and it has a 1-inch spine. As you can see, it's all Edith Holden on the front. And then in there we have a little tuck spot with some writing space. And I've done just a little embellishment here. It fastens with this green organza ribbon. We have a large tag here. A little bit of ephemera there. And I've included this book page as well. Really pretty. And you could either put some paper on the back, sew it on, glue it on, and use it as some journaling space, or cut out the flowers. A little flip out here. Little fabric cluster. A pocket here with a large tag and some ephemera. Another little fabric cluster doily. And here we have a little envelope. A little tag in there. And this opens up and there's some writing space in there. And then what was the other side, I've made a tag which can be either glued in, a hole putting in some ribbon and making into a tag. Now, I'm not sure whether I'm actually selling this or not, so if I am, I'll come back and put a link below whether it's in my Etsy shop. Beautiful Edith Holden image there. A little tuck spot here. A poem to violets there. Journaling card and tag. And in here, a little journaling card there. I haven't glued this down because I thought you can either put it like that and then put something behind it, just as you like. And here, some journaling paper inside. Just a little embellishment, and I fussy cut this out here. So that can just start going there. A dictionary page. This is a page from the Country Diary Cookery Notes book. It's got a little recipe on the back there. It's a little tuck spot here. A little pocket here. Just some ephemera there. And then turning over, we have a tuck spot here and a large journaling card there. Pretty much everything in here is actually Edith Holden. There are one or two bits that that aren't, but we have a little tuck spot here. A little tag, and that'll open so that you can hide something away in there. A little bag with a couple of pieces of ephemera in there. Little fussy cut flower. Beautiful Edith Holden image. This is from the Nature Notes book. There's also lots of stenciling. I'm not sure if you can see it because I've tried to make it quite subtle, but it's like ivy leaves. And then here we have a flip out. Again, another fussy cut. Fabric cluster here. Centre of the signature. This is taken from the same page. And it matches up like that. And beautiful image there of poppies. And here we have a large journaling card. Now, I know that I do have 1 or 2 little bits of ephemera left, so if I decide to sell this, I will include those as well. We've got a little tuck spot pocket here. Little tuck spot there. Journaling card. And then another little journaling card there. The other side of the bag with a couple of pieces of ephemera in. And again, that little hidey away there. I've just noticed, please excuse my hands, I've been boiling beetroot today, so as you can see they're a bit disgusting in my nails. I do apologise. Little cluster there. Another tag here. Lots of journaling space in this journal. Another fussy cut image. Little pocket here. Nothing there. And then here we've got a little belly band with a fabric cluster, some journaling paper, and another little Edith Holden image there with some writing space on the back. The fabric cluster here, more journaling space, and here we've got a little tuck spot. And then a flip out there with the, what's this? This is called Aurora Lee by E.B. Browning. But I just thought I'd leave the whole poem there. And then that's the back page. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Hope to be back again with you soon. Please give a thumbs up if you like this and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.